You probably think two-factor authentication keeps you safe, right? Not exactly. Hardware keys and authenticator apps are solid, but SMS 2FA is just a band-aid, not a lock. Hackers can steal your codes, hijack your number, or intercept messages through carrier flaws. In this video, I'll show you my SMS this week, how attackers bypass it, and what you should use instead. The main reason for the popularity of SMS 2FA is convenience. You don't need to download an authenticator app or buy a hardware key. Just type your number, get the code, and secure your account. It's built into almost every platform from banks to social media, and it's a popular option because everyone has a phone number. And when you see 2FA enabled, you instantly relax, like your account's untouchable. But that confidence is a trap. SMS isn't the security upgrade most people think it is. It's just another system hackers learn how to exploit. There are three main ways SMS 2FA fails. First, SIM swapping. The hacker contacts your carrier and convinces them to move your number to their SIM, usually through social engineering, sometimes with an insider. To pull it off, gather information about your phone number, carrier, and personal info to pass security checks. Once they have your number, every text meant for you goes straight to them. They can then log into your account and you won't notice until your phone loses service. It's happened to politicians, celebrities, and other influencers. If your main authentication method is tied to a number, it's vulnerable. The next one is SMS interception. Some attacks don't even need to touch your SIM. There is a decades-old telecom protocol called SS7 that still lets attackers silently intercept text messages mid-transit. Government and cybersecurity groups have abused this for years. And the last is malware and phishing. Even if your phone's safe, malware or sketchy apps can still read your text. Phishing pages can also trick you into giving attackers access to your device or codes. So if SMS 2FA is so weak, why do services still support it? It's universal and it's easy to roll out. Companies care about adoption rates, not maximum security. If more users enable 2FA, it looks good even if it's not the safest method. Hardware keys and authenticator apps cost more to support, and users often skip them because they seem more complicated. So companies keep SMS 2FA around, even though they know it's outdated. Here's how to actually secure your accounts. Use an authenticator app like AntiAuth, Proton Authenticator, or Aegis. They generate codes locally, not over a network, so no one can intercept them. Next, use hardware keys like YubiKey or Titan. They're physical proof of identity, so there's no code to steal or SMS to hijack. If your platform supports passkeys, switch now. They tie login approval to your biometrics, making them nearly impossible to phish. And if you're stuck using SMS, only use a voice over IP number like Google Voice or a burner SIM that's not tied to your main number. That adds another layer of separation. Remember to add a PIN or port freeze so no one can SIM swap you. Treat your phone number like a password. Don't reuse it everywhere. Keep it private. SMS 2FA gives you the illusion of security, not the real thing. Hackers don't need your password if they can just steal your number. Use app authenticators, hardware keys, or passkeys, because texts are for conversations, not security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your experiences down below. And if you want tips, help on recovering from a hacked or hacked account, or just want to hang out, join the Discord. Link in the description. Stay secure out there.